In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. The Shocker. What is the Shocker? What will explain to you what the Shocker is? The day when the people will be like scattered moths, and the mountains will be like tufted wool. As for he whose scales are heavy, he will be in a pleasant life. But as for he whose scales are light, his home is the abyss. Do you know what it is? A raging fire. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Abundance distracts you until you visit the graveyards. Indeed, you will know. Certainly, you will know. If you knew with knowledge of certainty, you would see the inferno. Then you will see it with the eye of certainty. Then, on that day, you will be questioned about the bliss. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By time, the human being is in loss, except those who believe, and do good works, and encourage truth, and recommend patience. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Woe to every slanderer backbiter, who gathers wealth and counts it over, thinking that his wealth has made him immortal. By no means. He will be thrown into the crusher. And what will make you realize what the crusher is? Allah's kindled fire that laps to the hearts. It closes in on them in extended columns. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Did he not make their plan go wrong? He sent against them swarms of birds, throwing at them rocks of baked clay, leaving them like chewed up leaves. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. For the security of Quraysh, their security during winter and summer journeys, let them worship the Lord of this house, who has fed them against hunger, and has secured them against fear. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Have you considered him who denies the religion? It is he who mistreats the orphan, and does not encourage the feeding of the poor. So woe to those who pray, those who are heedless of their prayers, those who put on the appearance, and withhold the assistance. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. We have given you plenty, so pray to your Lord and sacrifice. He who hates you is the loser.